Hi guys, it's Kristin with apokreations, and look what just came from Resiners. I am going to do an unboxing of sorts and do a product test. Okay, so I had to open it because I'm holding my phone, and this is how it comes packed. I don't know that I'll be able to get it out. Hang on. Okay, so this is the warranty card, and it gives you the information 24/7 customer service, and it says they provide 12 months of warranty for the product, and if you have any questions to reach out to them. And then it comes with the instruction manual, and so obviously it talks about the warranty information. You've got a QR code here for customer service, and then it tells you what's what. Then it tells you all the different parameters for the displays, which one is suitable for which, like the voltage, the technology, the flat mode for tall molds for the curing, and then you turn the base over for UV. So this is, and here is the rubber pad for it, and it gives you the same instructions on the mold placement. And then, so this is, dog hair. So this is what you would use for the UV. And for the regular resin, you flip the base over, and then this is for your taller molds. Whoops! And then you set it on top like that. And it tells you on here as well, the flat, the tall, and then the UV. So yeah. All right, so I am going to make some stuff up, and we'll get to playing with the curing machine. Okay, so I have my base, and I mixed up 200 mils of the Bond Crafter 1-to-1, and into it I put the Octopus Fluids Resin Ink Inoki into this one. Into this one is the Vanishing Blueberry from Simply Sarah Custom Creations. This one is the Blue Thistle from Laura's Art Corner, and this one is the Teal Blue Orchid from Laura. So basically what I'm gonna do is kind of like a dirty pour. Okay. Actually, before I do that, okay, and this is the starfish mold that I also got from Laura in my last Happy Mail box. So let me scooch this over because I have to find another mold real quick. Okay, so I found my crystal druzy coaster from Pouring Your Heart Out, Julie Cutts. So this is just popping some bubbles. I did run the resin through my debubbler from Let's Resin. And I'm going to clean this up and then bring my G3 back into center stage. All right. Plug this in. All right. Okay, and it's that simple. Okay, so this has been running for 2 hours. Still a little soft. Oop, too soft. Got a legless bear. Okay. All right. It's going to be thinner. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I do have one bubble right here. Well, they're still warm. Obviously you can see they're bendy, but I'm gonna let them sit there and I'm gonna go to bed. And then I will see what's going on in the morning. Okay, so now we're back with the UV side, right? So I got out a bunch of my Let's Resin UV colored. I got red, pink, purple, whoop, blue, purple, yellow, and caramel. So I also have my Bond Crafter UV, and I grabbed 4 of my colors that I got. One is from PDB, and that's the Meadow. And then the other 3 are from Glitter Heart Co., and they're the shimmer ones. And I have Faya, Cosmo, and Zen. Okay, so I also mixed up some UV with Arabella and Cali. right, so let's demold some of this stuff here. So this I did with the leftover resin that I had. Yeah, this one's pretty cool. Oop. And some of this I poured. Was trying to dome it and got a little carried away. So I will snip off those little tidbits. That's cool. Whoops. I have to clean my mold. All right, now that I've got these out of the mold, I am going to put them, just give them a quick blast, and I'll be right back. So these are the finished products. Let me just see if I can, well, maybe not. Hang on. All right, so these are the finished products. I made some eyeballs and they're kind of creepy, but my little bears. So yeah, definitely check out the G3, and I'll have a link in the description below where you can get a discount. So check that out. Do me a favor and hit the like button. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you think of my creations. So we'll add this and my and my bear that had surgery, and the starfish. Whoops. All right, so here are all of my creations. I'll put some glamour shots in there, and do me a favor, like, comment, subscribe, share. It's the only way that we can get our channels to grow. And thank you very much, each and every one of you, for stopping by. And I'll see you guys for the next one. Have a blessed day. Take care. Bye-bye.